Hello, like to show you my new Scepter knockdown and tip kit. First part here is the main knockdown. It's tapped and threaded on both sides, and you can use either a stainless steel knockdown, striking surface, or you can go with a plastic one, depending on what you're using. You know, if you're using a soft knockdown or a striking hammer or knockdown tool or whatever, you could use a hard one. And if you're using a hard one, knockdown tool, you use a plastic. You know, cut down on some of the wear and tear on your tool and the noise. Also, this piece here, this main piece, it's got two different lengths from here to here, so you can use it either way. Got little finger rests in here, so if you like your fingers farther away, you can put your tip on this end. If you like them a little closer, put your tip on that end. And this is made out of Nylotron GS. It's glass-filled nylon, and it's got a really cool texture to it. And we'll go on to the knockdowns. First knockdown we got here, made out of the same material, is a 1/2 inch round tip. You can use bare, or you can put this cap on here. This is the same cap we use on the Rail Blaster blending hammer, which works really good. So you can use with or without it, your choice. The second one here, kind of like a straight little knockdown, and it's shaped to fit the inside of this really durable rubber knockdown tip. Go on there like that, and you can use it with the cap or without the cap. And the next one here is a little Sharpie. It's machined down to quite a sharp point, and that'd be good for a little pinpoint knocking, and kind of a medium point tip. And let's see how this looks together. Run that in there, and we'll put the stainless steel tip on that, and you got yourself a customizable knockdown tool with a bag of tips. Probably wouldn't need any other tips beside that. So you can find these on the website, and thank you for listening.